Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. And this time I'm saying hi from Norway city Trondheim. We came here to provide GSWF bronze certification training and GSWF silver certification training. So let's start our training week. When we work with a template, it is very important to align and start in the right spot. Most of the time we start in this area. We need to align this line, and this line. And before we're gonna stretch forward, we want to align that edge. And then we can stretch here and align this area. Well, we have an Alpha for PPF installation, Alfa Romeo, which is a bit different shape. And that's how it looks. This fender is a bit more complicated comparing to the Audi fender, but installation way is completely the same. We started here, we aligned this edge, and now we're working forward. Opposite side, we have a guy installing PPF on the mirror. We just did that yellow Porsche front bumper without pre-cut, and main thing working without pre-cuts, you need to know how to control your tension and where to stretch. So for this specific bumper, you need to stretch from right to left till this middle part is nice and flat. So here more skilled guys practicing their skills on bulking, and on this Alpha we installing fenders and we use templates. And after the fender will be finished, we're gonna install PPF on the front bumper using template as well. And then we have Audi Q7. We install templates on it as well. This front fender is finished, mirror is finished, and after we're gonna finish with other side fender, we will do front bumper. It is very nice to have a few different cars for the training, because every single car, every single panel is different. We cannot, if Audi bumper is super easy, that yellow Porsche bumper is very complicated. And this Alfa Romeo bumper is not too bad. I just want to give certificate and everyone starts to run. Guys, not gonna hurt. So thank you very much everyone. It was a pleasure to be here for me. Of course it's not last day, we're still gonna have tomorrow and the day after, but with bronze certification we done, and thank you very much. Some of you were without skills pretty much at all, and some of you have a lot of skills. So thank you very much one more time. And all of you passed the bronze certification training, because like I said, all most important parts is to understand cutting, to understand stretching, forming the material, and working with the templates. That's it, simple as that. So Anette, first woman in Norway and probably the entire world certified by GSWF. Thank you very much. Robin Paulsen.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Announce the last name.
Maybe next time. So yeah, thank you very much. Now we can take a picture, and then we're gonna do that bumper on the Alpha. Here at Trondheim, we're gonna have not only bronze certification training, but in silver, and we started it right now. For silver paint protection film training, we attempting to wrap entire car using colored paint protection film. So to do that, we need to take extra steps, and we need to disassemble a car. We need to remove a few extra parts because we need more coverage. It is not clear PPF, it is colored PPF. So we're gonna wrap this Volkswagen Golf, and we will remove headlights. We're gonna remove this bit, front grille, handles off, and tail lights already off. Not the most difficult car to wrap, but it will be fun to do it. Because to get silver certification, you must to show and you must to prove that you can wrap one difficult panel and one simple panel. It means you need to wrap bumper and door or fender. So let's start our silver certification training. For this Volkswagen Golf, we're gonna use this very bright grass green color. And just look at it. It is insane. It's so glossy. No orange peel at all. Missing you have an angle. Today is our last day of training here in Trondheim, and we still need to finish this Golf. So guys, now working on the quarter panels. One side is almost finished. We'll need to do re-bumper again because happened small mistake yesterday, so bumper is not finished. But everyone is on quarter panels, and probably in a few hours this car will be 95% green. And roof we're gonna do in gloss black. After quarter panels will be finished, we're gonna install paint protection film on the handles. Handles is a bit tricky part when we talk about colored paint protection film, because shape is difficult. Already tested one piece of the handle. It is durable, we can wrap it, but main part of the handle, it is too difficult to do in one piece. And if we're gonna do overlap, we're gonna have a green inlay there. Our overlap gonna look ugly because colored paint protection film is way more thicker. So we're gonna do black inside, and then top part we're gonna wrap in green. So just like that, top part will be green. On some cars, handles are way too difficult for colored paint protection film because it is thick product, and for example on BMW X5 you cannot wrap handles using colored PPF. So I suggest to use gloss black vinyl wrap. So thank you everyone very much for attending for silver certification training. So most of you did well, for some of you still need to practice a lot, but at least you have basics, and I see that you are willing to learn and you want to continue to do that, because I have done a lot of certification, and some people that just don't want to install at all. It's just like, okay, can I get my certificate? Like I don't want to do bumper, but I can see that you want to work with that product, and you learned a lot. Some of you had pretty much no experience a few days ago, and now you can do mirror, you can do doors. That's amazing. So thank you very much, and we're gonna start with Annette Stenvold. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, it's on the video. Yeah. And then I will take a picture. Yeah. Robin Paulson. Thank you very much. The ass. Alexander. Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Talk more about him.
Who's this guy? Jorgen?
Yes, what? Only the half time.
Yeah, half time. Okay. Half of it. Thank you very much. Continue doing good job.
And the boss.
Yeah, and the boss, Finn. Thank you for having us. Thank you for taking this class.
Thank you so much.
So guys, our training session here in Trondheim is over. Bronze and silver certification we had this week. So thank you for watching the Tube Was Me wrap virus, and if you would like to learn how to install paint protection film or vinyl wrap, send us a message, and I'll see you next time.